Good morning, children. Happy New Year. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Did you all enjoy your holidays? All of you are safe? You have proper health? Yes, very good. So, Happy New Year, children. And God bless you all. And may this year be very fruitful. And may we all come back to school soon. And think of something, children, that you will decide that you will do this year, something new. Because this is a new beginning, you promise to yourself something that you are going to follow this year, and you promise to yourself that you are going to do that. Being an English teacher, I will tell you all, at least start speaking in English this year. Make a new resolution and start speaking in English, because now after few days you will have your final exams and then you will go to class 3. Before that, at least start speaking in English. Many days are over. I think you are at home and with your parents. Very few of you are speaking in English. So at least this new resolution you take and speak in English. Okay, will you all promise me? Okay, I'll ask you in between how many of you have listened to me and how many are following this thing. So children, what did we do before the vacation? Which lesson we were doing? We were doing the Lost Trees. It was a very beautiful poem. In that poem, what did you see? The poet was asking us all to save trees. First, the whole street and city was full of trees. In the poem, it was full of trees. And when the trees were there, everything was very fresh and every fresh air was there and everything was very nice. But after few years, what happened? What did people do? People started cutting trees and making concrete. And what was concrete? Concrete was a building made up of cement and sand. So what happened? Everybody started cutting all the trees and they started making buildings and buildings and all the trees, and because of that there was lot of pollution. So was poet happy to see this? No, poet was not happy to see this. He was not happy because all the trees were cut down. So what did he advise? He advised us all to plant more and more trees and to save trees. So we did this poem, and after that we did match the following, then we did fill-ups, then we made the words, and then we have done jumble also. Crossword, puzzle also we have done. Now come to page number 47, all of you. All of you will come to page number 47. Let's continue with the listening time of this lesson. Let's continue with the listening time. I hope all of you have taken out your semester books with your pencils in your hand. Okay. So children, I am reading from page number 47. Keep your fingers along with me and continue the class. One day, many woodcutters went to a dash village. What village it may be? Village is always a small village. So in the first blank, you will write SMALL, small village. Small village. Then in the hills, they went to cut dash for firewood. For fire, what were they cutting? Trees. What were they cutting for fire? Trees. And what is the spelling of trees? T-R-E-E-S, trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. So they started cutting trees. Then third one. For firewood, the people of the village dashed trees. But all of them, what did the people? Loved trees. People loved trees. And what is the spelling of loved? L-O-V-E-D, loved. L-O-V-E-D, loved. but the people loved trees. They did not want anybody to dash the trees. People did not want anybody to cut the trees. People did not want anybody. Cut spelling C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. They all dashed to talk to the woodcutters. They all went to talk to the woodcutters. Went, W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. Then they told them, turn your pages. They told them not to cut any tree, but the men did not dash to them. They told, but those men, did they listen? No, they did not listen to them. So spelling of listen is L-I-S-T-E-N. They did not listen to them. They did not listen to them. They bought the axes to cut the trees. Well, how do you cut the trees? With the axes. Axes. The women and children went and put their dash around the trees. See the picture. You can see. They said in this picture you can see how the women and children have kept their arms around, and they said don't cut the trees. So arms. What did the women and children put around the trees? Arms. They put arms around the trees. In the picture you can see they have put the arms around the tree. They hugged the trees and stood there. See how they are hugging the trees and they are standing there. They are asking the woodcutter not to cut the trees. So they stood there. They stood there. Stood there is standing there. Stood there, standing. This is stood there. They stood there. They did not leave the trees. They told, no, we are not going to leave the trees. Please don't cut the trees. Usko choda nahi. They did not leave the trees. What is the spelling of leave? L-E-A-V-E, leave. They did not leave the trees. They did not leave the trees. Who did not leave? Women and children. Women and children did not leave the trees. Wherever the men went, wherever the dash went, wherever those men went for cutting, women and children went there. They hugged the trees and they did say, no, you should not cut the trees. So they did not. Wherever the men went, they went along with them. Wherever the men went, M-E-N, men went. Wherever the men went. They saw women and children hugging the trees. Hugging is like this. एक लिपटना एक दूसरे को. That is called hugging. The men could not cut the trees, and so when the women and children were holding that, stood there hugging the trees, they were not able to cut the trees. They went away. All the people of the village were very happy. P-E-O-P-L-E. All the people of the village were very happy, because those men went without cutting the trees. See, there are two pictures in this page. In one page, animals are playing, all trees are there, all water is there, everything is having a happy atmosphere. And in this, the word is, the roads are there, only buildings are there, smoke is going on. So see how in these two pictures, which picture are you liking? The first one or the second one? Of course, the first one. So why you are liking the first one? Because it is full of trees. Whereas in the second one there are no trees. But there are no trees. So this is how it is very nice when there is lot of trees. So children, now you understood the importance of trees. Some trees live for many years. Some trees can grow very tall, up to 100 meters of height. And trees give us oxygen to breathe. What do trees give us? They give us oxygen to breathe. They also give us wood. This chair, table, this blackboard, everything is made up of wood. From where do we get the wood? We get from trees. Can we use wood? Different trees, they also give us wood. that can be used for different purposes, and we can use these tree wood and make different things. Purposes like cooking, making furniture, cardboards, paper, etc. We cut a lot of trees, but cutting down trees can be harmful for the environment. So what can we do? So what should we do? We should save trees, plant trees, reuse paper, buy and give things which require less paper. We should save paper and we should buy things which require less paper. Collect information on cutting down trees from newspaper, magazines and internet and TV. Tell others to save trees and plant more trees. So along with speaking in English, take one more resolution. Please save trees and plant trees and save our environment. Take one more resolution. Plant a tree today itself. Okay? In this new year, do one thing. Start with planting a tree. I hope all will plant one sapling in your house today. So children, may God bless you all, and may this year be healthy and bring lots and lots of happiness to you. Happy New Year once again. God bless you. Thank you.